I bought and tested these bike locks so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who's had my bike stolen before, I know the importance of a good lock. I've put these products through their paces and I'm here to share my honest experience with you. Whether you're commuting to work or just cruising around, securing your electric bike is crucial, and I've got the lowdown on the best locks available.
Product number 1, Weogene Bike Chain Lock. When I first got the Weogene Bike Chain Lock, I was surprised by its robust build quality. At 2.72 feet long and made from heavy-duty alloy steel, this lock feels like it means business. I remember the first time I used it, I felt an immediate sense of relief knowing my electric bike was secured with a chain that's 4 millimeters thick. The lock's hardened zinc alloy cylinder is designed to resist drilling and cutting, which is a huge plus when you're in a busy area where thieves are prevalent. Locking my bike was a breeze. The humanized design allows you to snap it together without fumbling with keys, which I appreciated after a long day of work. Plus, it's equipped with 3 keys, so if I happen to misplace one, I have backups. I took the Weogene lock on a few rides, and what stood out was its all-around protective cover, made from high-quality polypropylene. Not only does it prevent scratches on my bike, but it also protects the chain from rust and weather damage. This is vital for someone who lives in an area with unpredictable weather. I even left it out in the rain once, and the lock remained unaffected. Pros of this lock include its heavy-duty build, keyless design, and multi-purpose use. I was able to lock up not just my bike, but also my scooter and even some tools in my garage. However, it's worth mentioning that the chain can be slightly cumbersome to carry around, especially if you're planning a long ride. It's a trade-off for security, but you need to be prepared. Why buy the Weogene Bike Chain Lock? If you're looking for a reliable and heavy-duty bike lock that offers excellent protection against theft, this is a solid choice. The price point is also very reasonable, making it accessible for most riders. It provides peace of mind, and that's invaluable when you're out and about.
Product number 2, the N-Doctor 5-digit combination lock. Next up, I tried the N-Doctor 5-digit combination heavy-duty anti-theft bicycle chain lock. Initially, I was drawn in by the idea of a resettable combination lock. I've always been wary of losing keys, but with this lock, I could set my own personalized combination, which felt like a game changer. The 5-digit combination provides much more security than traditional 4-digit locks, and setting it up was straightforward. When I took the N-Doctor lock for a spin, I was impressed with its sturdy and durable construction. The chain is made of 0.24-inch thick alloy steel that's drill-resistant and very tough. I felt confident leaving my bike locked up in a crowded area. One thing I noticed is that the lock is covered with a high-quality polypropylene fabric, which not only protects my bike from scratches, but also makes it easier to handle in extreme temperatures. No more frozen fingers. In terms of versatility, this lock is a champ. I was able to lock my bike to a tree, a fence, and even a thick pole without any hassle. The 3.2 feet length is ample for locking 2 to 3 bikes together, which is fantastic for group rides. However, I did find that the lock head's diameter might not fit all bike wheels, particularly if you have a scooter or e-bike with a smaller gap, so keep that in mind. The pros of the N-Doctor lock include its high number of personalized combinations, sturdy build, and scratch-proof protection. On the downside, it can be slightly heavy to carry around, especially if you're a minimalist rider. Why should you consider the N-Doctor lock? If you value security and convenience, this lock is a great investment. The resettable combination feature means you'll never have to worry about lost keys again. With thousands of combinations available, it significantly reduces the chance of being compromised.
Now, let's talk about the N-Doctor Combo U-Lock. This heavy-duty lock has a solid, reassuring feel to it, definitely built for security. The first thing I noticed was its large U-shape, which allows for greater internal locking space. I often find myself needing to lock my bike frame and wheels, and this lock made it easy. I remember the first time I used it, I wrapped it around a bike rack and felt a sense of security wash over me. The 4-digit resettable combination adds a layer of convenience. Forgetting keys is no longer an issue, and the initial code of 0000 made it easy to set my personal combination. The locking mechanism was smooth, and I appreciated how the thick 0.57-inch hardened alloy steel shackle felt sturdy against potential thieves. Plus, the lock is resistant to cutting and leverage attacks, which I found comforting. On my daily commutes, the N-Doctor lock proved its worth. It comes with a 5-foot steel cable, allowing me to secure not just my bicycle, but also my helmet and other belongings. That added versatility is invaluable when you're out and about. It's also worth noting that while this lock is robust, the combination mechanism can feel a bit tricky at first, especially when you're in a hurry. The pros of this lock are its sturdy construction, keyless convenience, and the added versatility of the cable. However, it does lack a mounting bracket, which would have made it easier to carry around. Why buy this N-Doctor lock? If you're looking for a combination lock that offers flexibility and strength, this is a great option. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable lock without the hassle of keys. Product number 4, Via Velo U-Lock with cable. Let's move on to the Via Velo Bike U-Lock with cable. When I first held this lock, I was struck by its solid construction. The 9mm hardened steel shackle gives it a robust feel, and I could tell right away that it would resist cutting and prying. I took it out for a week of commuting, and I felt secure locking my bike up anywhere. The set includes 3 ergonomic keys made of durable stainless steel, which I found to be a nice touch for added reliability. One of the standout features is the weather-resistant and scratch-proof nylon sleeve cover on the cable. I didn't have to worry about it getting damaged in the rain, and it did a great job of preventing scratches on my bike frame. I've used other locks in the past that didn't have this feature, and those scratches can be annoying. On the practicality side, the U-Lock is heavy enough to provide reliable security, but light enough for easy portability. I appreciated that it came with a mounting bracket, making it easy to store on my bike frame or in my backpack during rides. The 4-foot length of the steel cable gives you plenty of flexibility in how you secure your bike and its accessories. The pros of the Via Velo lock include its solid build, excellent weather resistance, and convenient portability. The downside? Some people might find the weight a bit much if they're looking for a super lightweight option. Why buy the Via Velo U-Lock? If you want a durable lock that offers excellent protection and portability, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for anyone looking to secure their bike in various situations without sacrificing quality. Product number 5, Hiplok Premium Bike Lock Set. Finally, let's discuss the Hiplok Premium Bike Lock Set. Right out of the box, I was impressed with the quality of the materials. The 0.55-inch solid steel construction is incredibly sturdy and resistant to cutting, prying, and drilling. I remember feeling a sense of confidence when using it, knowing that it would take a serious effort for a thief to break through. The surface is treated to prevent rust, which is a game changer for long-term use. The thoughtful design features like the dust cover that prevents corrosion were a pleasant surprise. I didn't have to worry about debris messing with the lock's mechanism. The bracket holder also made it easy to keep the lock secure while I was riding, which is something I always look for. Plus, the magic straps helped keep the steel cable neatly rolled up when not in use. What I loved about the Hiplok lock is its versatility. You can use the U-Lock alone or combine it with the 6-foot steel cable. I found it to be perfect for locking my electric bike, as well as other items like ladders and sports equipment. However, while it's lightweight for a lock of its caliber, it's still a bit heavier than some other options out there. The pros of the Hiplok lock include its sturdy construction, thoughtful design features, and wide application. On the downside, it may not be the lightest option for cyclists looking to minimize weight. Why should you consider the Hiplok lock? If you want a heavy-duty lock that will last, this is an excellent choice. It's versatile, well-designed, and gives you peace of mind when locking your bike or other valuable items. In conclusion, investing in a quality bike lock is essential, especially for electric bike owners who want to protect their ride. Each of the locks we discussed has unique features that cater to different needs, whether it's a combination lock for convenience or a U-lock for durability. My top picks are the Weogene for heavy-duty chain security, Endactor for combination convenience, and Appleby for overall sturdiness. Choose wisely and keep your bike secure.